going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a tiny mod. What I'm gonna do today actually is to see if I could take this part out and Dremel these parts right here, 1, 2, and 3, or maybe just 1 and 2. So I gotta take a look. That's my cue to turn off the video for now. I'll see you guys soon. Suffice, but here you go. It has the OEM passenger side open air duct versus the at-home version, the DIY version. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fit everything back in. All right. So air goes through here, cools the engine. Then, without channeling through here and making a right and going directly into the airbox to vent, now we are able to have air drawn right through here. I actually only cut 2 slots. This one I saved as is. All right. Alright guys, so last but not least, I'll finish off this video by inserting one of these high flow air filters, these drop-ins. And most likely I'm going to keep everything stock. So I'm going to keep the whatever grate that's in there, I'm going to keep it on. So let's go ahead and get everything started. As you guys know, everything that we're using today would be just your normal T25s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There should be 6 of these. I think 6 or 8. So yes, probably 8. Not bad. All right. So 8 of these are to be out. We're gonna take this, well, not yet. Let's go ahead and unbox this K&N filter. Supposedly it's reusable, it's washable. So this is your stock filter. I mean, this is your K&N filter. And we're gonna unbox this. This is kind of oily from factory. Alright, I should have brought gloves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. Put it right here. And here is a grate that's clipped on. The inside of it is not that dirty at all. Just a little bit of... Overall it's pretty clean. And we're just going to drop this in, and that's it. Make sure this thing goes in here, and that's it. Place everything back in. I think the grate is not as restrictive, so you won't hear much of a increase in intake or induction noise. Alright, so stock airbox is back on. That's a bit dirty, but that's it. Very short video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for maybe some induction noises.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.